Jury deliberations in former President Trump's hush money trial concluded after jurors sent two notes to the judge, one requesting to rehear the judge's jury instructions and the other to be read back testimony from witnesses Michael Cohen and David Pecker. Joining us now to discuss, attorney Karen Conti. It's great to see you again, Karen. Is it unusual for the jurors to make such requests? I understand that they can only take notes during the trial, but does this show they're leaning one way or another?
Well, it's not unusual for the jurors to ask for testimony and even jury instructions read back, but reading the whole set of jury instructions, that is surprising to me because they're very complicated and they took about an hour. So the idea that they want to sit through that again means that they are having probably some serious debates about what the instructions say. And remember that there are two lawyers on the jury. So the lawyers, you would think, would be leading this discussion because the lawyers are going to be more knowledgeable about the nature of jury instructions. So I'm not sure which way this cuts at this point. It's hard to tell, and we would just be looking into a crystal ball to make a prediction.
Sure. The defense wants to keep the read back testimony narrowed to what's been requested, but the prosecution, of course, wants an extra page. What do you think is a concern for the defense here?
Well, it's really important that the judge gets this right, because if the judge makes the wrong decision and it goes up on appeal, this could be a reason for a reversal. I think the judge has to do exactly what the jury asks, because I think maybe what the defense wants is, to expand this a little bit, and maybe the prosecution wants to expand it as well to kind of get a feel for what the context is. I'm not sure which way that cuts at all, but I think the judge is going to have to do exactly what the jury requests and nothing more.
Well, we are all eagerly awaiting an outcome, watching for one. Karen Conti, thank you for joining us tonight on the National Desk.